Yes, we are back again, and hi everyone. This third Sudoku is a Sudoku with 4 stars in this newspaper of May the 1st on a Friday 2020, and we will start with the Sudoku, the third Sudoku with 4 stars. 3 Sudokus to go, a binary and a tectonic are left, but first this Sudoku with 4 stars. So let's get started. Alright, a 3 in this row, a 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. Then a 3 in this row, a 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 3, I need to wait. How about the 6 in this column? 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for the 6 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 6 anymore. How about the 7? 7 in this row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. But I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. In this big square, no, in this big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 7. I see here 7, no 7 in those 2 boxes. There 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So in this column we have a 7. In the column next we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 7, I need to wait for more information. How about the 3, 7. Yes, in this row, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in that box. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing number is an 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be here. The other 2 numbers are the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes here. Then these 3 numbers are left for the numbers 1, 8, and the 9. 1, 8, and the 9. 1, 8, and the 9. That means 1 box left here for the 5. 1, 8, and the 9. How about these 3 numbers? The 2, 8, and the 9 are left. The 2, 8, and the 9. Still cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. I see here an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be this one. How about these 2 numbers? The missing numbers here are the 1 and the 9. 1 and the 9. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These 3 numbers are the missing numbers are the 9, the 5, and the 7. 9, 5, and the 7. Still cannot finish this or fill this yet. How about the 3, 2. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. But I see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 numbers left for the first row for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about I'm thinking. We have a pair here in this big square. 6 missing numbers. 2 of them are the 4 and the 7. We have a 4 and a 7 here, so no 4 and a 7 in these 3 boxes. Here also the 4 and the 7. No 4 and a 7 in those 2 boxes. So we have a pair here, the 7 and the 4. Left, yes. That means 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. We have a 1 here, so no 1 in these 2 boxes here, and also a 1, so no 1 in that box. 1 box left for the 1 should be here. The other 3 numbers are the numbers 5, 6, and 2. We have a 2 here, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. The 5 and the 6 are left as a pair. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 9, because those are the 5 and the 6. Then the 4 and 5. How about 6? 2, 2, yes, 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so on the column next, the only 2 places for the 2, here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then, in this big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 4. I see here 4, no 4 in those 2 boxes. Here also 4, no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. So 4, 4. That means 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, in the column next. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers 4 and 5, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 6, 3. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be any more a 4. This should be a 7, this should be a 4. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be the 4. The 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 7 should be there. Here we have the 5 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. We have a 5 here, so this cannot be in a 5. This should be the 6, this should be the 5. These 2 numbers, the 5 and the 9 are left. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the middle column, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Then these 2 numbers are the numbers 1 and 8 are missing. 1 and 8, I cannot fill this yet. 1 and 8. How about these 2 numbers? For the numbers 8 and 7. 8 and 7. We have a 7 here. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 8 goes there. So the 8 should be, I see here 8, 8. So these 2 should be an 8. Those 2 numbers, the 5 and the 3 are missing. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we have the 8 and the 1 left in this row. We have a 1 here. This cannot be the 1. This should be the 8. This should be the 1. We have a 1 here, so this should be the 8. 2 numbers left, 1 and the 9. We have a 1 here, so this should be the 1. This should be the 9. 2 numbers left, the 9 and the 3. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Wow, for 4 stars, I'm very proud. This should not be a 4 stars. The other one, the first one should be a 4 stars. Anyway, thank you for watching, and thumbs up if you like, otherwise thumbs down. Otherwise, I will see you in a minute with the 4th puzzle, a binary puzzle. Thank you and bye-bye.